So we will cover product of vectors LAQ. This is the most important LAQ, 90% sure question. Find the shortest distance between the skew lines. R bar is equal to 6I bar plus 2J bar plus 2K bar plus T into I bar minus 2J bar plus 2K bar. This is one vector, one line, and the other line is R bar is equal to minus 4I bar minus K bar plus S into 3I bar minus 2J bar minus 2K bar. So see, these are skew lines. Skew lines means which are not parallel. We need to find the shortest distance between them. So let's say this is P and this is Q. And this is A point, this is B point. This is C and this is D. So from the first line equation, you can see the first vector. I'm taking only the coefficients of I, J, K. That is 6, 2, 2. And from the second vector of the first line, we will take 1, minus 2, 2. And from the second line, what is the first point? Minus 4, 0, minus 1. And what is D point? 3, minus 2, minus 2. Okay. So you can see this is A point, this is B point, this is C point, and this is D point. If you join A and B, it forms a line. And if you join C and D, it forms another line. We want to find out distance between them. Understood? So first let us write down the given equations. Given equations of the straight lines are R bar is equal to 6I bar plus 2J bar plus 2K bar plus T into I bar minus 2J bar plus 2K bar. Now comparing this equation with R bar is equal to A bar plus TB bar. This is the vector equation of a straight line passing through 2 points. A bar plus TB bar. Okay. Now what is the second line? So if you compare this with A bar plus TB bar, what do you get? You will get A bar and B bar vectors. So A bar is 6I bar plus 2J bar plus 2K bar. And what is B bar? I bar minus 2J bar plus 2K bar. Now let us take the second line. What is the second line? R bar is equal to minus 4I bar minus K bar plus S into 3I bar minus 2J bar minus 2K bar. Now let us compare this line with R bar is equal to C bar plus S D bar. So what is C bar here? This is C bar, this is D bar, okay? So minus 4I bar minus K bar and D bar is 3I bar minus 2J bar minus 2K bar. So you got A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. After getting these 4 vectors, first we should know what is the formula for shortest distance between skew lines. Then only you will understand what to do next. So what is the formula for shortest distance between skew lines? Shortest distance between skew lines is equal to scalar triple product of A bar minus C bar, B bar, D bar within modulus by mod B bar cross D bar. This is the formula. For this, we need A bar minus C bar first. So let us find A bar minus C bar. Just now we got A bar and C bar vectors, right? So what is A bar? 6I bar plus 2J bar plus 2K bar minus what is C bar? Minus 4I bar minus K bar. Now we will open the bracket 6I bar plus 2J bar plus 2K bar plus 4I bar plus K bar. Now 6I plus 4I is 10I plus 2J plus 3K. This is A bar minus C bar. Now after this we need to find scalar triple product of A bar minus C bar, B bar, D bar. So what is scalar? How to find out scalar triple product of A minus C, B and D? You take the determinant. What is from A bar minus C bar? You take the coefficients. 10, 2, 3. Now what are the coefficients from B bar? You tell me. From B bar, this one you see 1 minus 2, 2. And what are the coefficients from D bar? 3 minus 2 minus 2. Okay. Like in matrices, how we will find out the determinant? The same way we have to find the determinant over here. So that is, if you take the determinant 10 into 4 plus 4 minus 2 into minus 2 minus 6 plus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. So that is 10 into 8 minus 2 into minus 8 plus 3 into 4. 80 plus 16 plus 12. That is equal to 108. So what did you get now? A bar minus C bar, B bar, D bar. We got the scalar triple product of A bar minus C bar, B bar and D bar. Now again look at the formula. We got the numerator. Now we need to find out the denominator. So first let us find B cross D. So you know how to find out the cross product? So for cross product, first you take I, J, K. Now again look at B bar and C bar, B bar and D bar. What is B bar? See here, this is B bar and this is D bar. From these two you take the coefficients 1 minus 2, 2 and 3 minus 2 minus 2. So 1 minus 2, 2 and 3 minus 2 minus 2. Now you see how I'm finding the cross product. Same like determinant only. I will be positive, J will be negative, K will be positive. So I bar into, you cross multiply this, minus 2 into minus 2 is 4, minus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Minus into minus will become plus. Now minus J bar into minus 2 minus 6 plus K bar into minus 2 plus 6. That is 8 I bar plus 8 J bar plus 4 K bar. This is B bar cross D bar. Now we need to find magnitude of B bar cross D bar. This is not modulus here. This is called magnitude. Magnitude means how will you find out the magnitude? Root A square plus B square plus C square. So from this B bar cross D bar vector, what is A? A is 8, B is 8, C is 4. So that is 8 square plus 8 square plus 4 square. That is root 64 plus 64 plus 16. So how much is that? That is root 144. Root 144 is 12. Now you got mod B cross D also. Now again let us write the formula once again. What is shortest distance between skew lines formula? That is mod scalar triple product of A bar minus C bar, B bar, D bar by magnitude of B cross D. Okay, for the numerator it is mod. For the denominator it is magnitude. So here you got 108. By here you got 12. 12 ones are 12 nines are. So that is 9. Because it is shortest distance, you can write it as 9 units. Understood? Now let us take the second question. This question is also very, very important. If A is equal to 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 1, B is equal to 4 comma 0 comma minus 3, C is equal to 1 comma 2 comma minus 1, D is equal to 2 comma minus 4 comma minus 5. Then find the distance between AB and CD. Here also again the same figure we will draw. This is A, B, C, D. Let us find the distance between AB and CD. Okay. Now we name this as P and Q. Now in the last question, vector equation was given. So directly we have proceeded. But here 4 points are given A, B, C, D. So first let us convert these points into vector equation. And from there we can take A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Got it? So first let us write what are the given points. So given points are A 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 1, B 4 comma 0 comma minus 3, C 1 comma 2 comma minus 1, D 2 comma minus 4 comma minus 5. Now what is vector equation of a straight line? Vector equation of a straight line passing through A and B. Passing through A bar and B bar is, what is the formula for vector equation of a straight line passing through 2 points? R bar is equal to 1 minus T into A bar plus TB bar. So first let us multiply. This is more easier. This into this, this into this. Okay. So first in the place of A bar, let us write 1 minus T into A bar is I bar minus 2J bar minus K bar plus T into 4I bar minus 3K bar. Okay. So how can I multiply? This into this, this into this, this into this. Then this into this, this into this, this into this. This is the easiest way, okay? So 1 into anything is 1 into this whole bracket, you'll get that bracket. So I bar minus 2J bar minus K bar minus Ti bar plus 2Tj bar plus Tk bar. Now multiply T into this, T into this plus 4T I bar minus 3T K bar. Okay, now where you don't have T, let us write that in one bracket. I bar minus 2J bar plus K bar. Plus now in these all terms we have T. Take T common, minus I plus 2J plus K plus 4I minus 3K into T. Okay. So here what do you get? So that is equal to I minus 2J minus K plus T into, now how can we simplify this? 4I minus I is 3I. 3I plus 2J minus 2K. 3I plus 2J minus 2K. Now this is the vector equation. You understood how to convert points into vector equation. Now the same way, so after getting this vector equation, what is A bar? A bar is I bar minus 2J bar minus K bar and B bar is 3I bar plus 2J bar minus 2K bar. Now the same way we have to do it with C and D also. So vector equation of a straight line passing through C and D. What is the formula? There we have taken T, no? Here we will take S. R bar is equal to 1 minus S into C bar plus S D bar. That is 1 minus S into, what is C bar? C point we will convert to vector. I bar plus 2J bar minus K bar plus S into 2I bar minus 4J bar minus 5K bar. Now let us multiply the same way. 1 if you multiply with the whole bracket, you will get the whole bracket again. So I bar plus 2J bar minus K bar. Now minus S you multiply with all the three. Minus SI bar minus 2SJ bar plus SK bar. Now this S you multiply with these three. 2SI bar minus 4SJ bar minus 5SK bar. Now, first we will write the terms where you don't have T. So, in the first three terms, you don't have T. I bar plus 2J bar minus K bar. Now, I will take S common. Minus I minus 2J plus K plus 2I minus 4J minus 5K. So, that is I bar plus 2J bar minus K bar plus S into, now simplify I with I, J with J, K with K. 2I minus I is I, minus 2J minus 4J is minus 6J, K minus 5K is minus 4K. Okay, now compare this with R bar is equal to C bar plus SD bar. So you will get C bar and D bar also. C bar is I bar plus 2J bar minus K bar. D bar is I bar minus 6J bar minus 4K bar. Now you got A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Now we'll take shortest distance between skew lines formula. What is shortest distance between skew lines formula? Mod scalar triple product of A bar minus C bar, B bar, D bar by mod B bar cross D bar. Okay, so first we will find A minus C. So what is A minus C? A minus C is I bar minus 2J bar minus K bar. This is A bar vector. And for C bar vector, let us just change the signs because we have minus C. So minus I bar minus 2J bar plus K bar. That is minus 4J bar. Because I bar cancel. K bar minus K bar cancel. Minus 2J is minus 4J bar. Now after getting A bar minus C bar, we will find scalar triple product of A minus C, B and D. Again take the determinant. From A minus C, you don't have I and K. So let us take 0, minus 4, 0. And what is B bar? 3, 2, minus 2. And what is D? 1 minus C minus 4. That is determinant. Okay. Now, how to expand the determinant? 0 into minus 8 minus 12 plus 4 into minus 12 plus 2 plus 0 into minus 18 minus 2. 0 into anything is 0 plus 4 into minus 10 plus 0, that is minus 40. Now what is modulus of A minus C, B and D? That is modulus of minus 40, which is equal to 40. That is why modulus is given. Okay, even if you get a negative answer for the numerator, it becomes positive. Understood? Because distance is always positive, right? So that's why. Okay, now numerator is completed. We got 40. Now let us find the denominator. B cross D. What is B cross D? For cross product, you always take IJK. Now from B bar, we will take 3, 2, minus 2. From D bar, we will take 1 minus 6 minus 4. How to find out the cross product? Same like determinant. I bar into minus 8 minus 12 minus J bar into minus 12 plus 2 plus K bar into minus 18 minus 2. So that is minus 20 I bar plus 10 J bar minus 20 K bar. Okay, this is B cross D. Now what is magnitude of B cross D? Root A square plus B square plus C square. So minus 20 whole square plus 10 square plus minus 20 whole square. That is root 400 plus 100 plus 400. That is root 900. Root 900 is 30. Now what is shortest distance between skew lines formula? Let us write the formula once again. That is mod A bar cross C bar, B bar, D bar. Whenever you have something in square bracket, this is called scalar triple product. Okay, by mod B cross D. That is 40 by 30. Answer is 4 by 3.